Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Eucalyptus, and today in this new podcast we're going to talk about what can be this first aid bag for long journeys. Yes, as you know, I am 4 months on the road. I am crossing half Europe, so going from the Netherlands until Spain, and this is working in preventions, this is working already in advance. Many people is not prepared and then happen things during the route, or there is colleagues and you can help to them. So always I would recommend, if you don't want to invest a bit of money on your own first aid kit, to have some elements in your backpack, because it's about yourself, to take care about yourself, but also it's about helping others in case that there is need, so you never know. I bought the basic things that cost around 15 euros in Decathlon. Yes, because I think that there are three sizes, the 100, 500 and 900. The 900 in my opinion is too complex, and there are many things that I don't need it for 4 months. Yes, at the end I am going and walking, doing the trekking between villages. If happens something, probably I'm gonna get an hospital really close by. I'm in Europe. For another situation, another continent, perhaps it's easy to discover the options and what are those materials that is needed in case happens something. Yes, and let's have a look. Yes, because it's something really cool, and I'm happy to share with all of you. It looks like this. Yes, we can go from left to right. Yes, can you see it? Yes. For the neck, this I added as an extra are strap seals, and as you know, the wind is sometimes pushing hard, and it's easily something that you get dry feeling in your neck, and this is a prevention, always work. What we have else here? Some gloves, plastic gloves. If you get some injury, some strips, also important. If you at the end you fall down or you have a contusion and you are bleeding, you can use it. Then with alcohol, some specific small pieces of paper covered with alcohol to disinfect. This is really cool. Then if something comes in your nose or in your eyes, always you can clean it with this. Super cool. Then we have bandages, as you can see, a bit of tape, more tape. That is really cool, because everything is hermetic. Some gauzes, pads. Maybe you are bleeding, or you fall down and you have problem in your elbows, etc, etc. You have everything needed to use it for the purpose of getting ready again. So it is really convenient. It's not heavy at all. Perhaps you can see it, and it's a bit big, but in terms of weight, it is nothing. Scissors, nice. Then we have tweezers as well. We have two kind of tweezers. These ones and these ones. So always has happened that we're touching some wood or something, and then you get a small piece in your finger. Then this is the best way to remove it. Details, this life is about details. And then what I add as an extra is betadine, because if you have an injury, you can disinfect a bit with the alcohol and then try to get it dry as soon as possible. And I am using betadine, that always works to me. And then for the day after, if it's not infected, that usually I don't have big injuries, it helps a lot to get again the new skin working over the place where I have the injured. So really cool. And antibiotics, I got antibiotics. I went to the pharmacy. I bought some antibiotics because you never know which country you are and if they're gonna provide you the right elements to get over your sickness. And algún ibuprofen and paracetamol. On my case as well, I know that in spring, with the change of seasons between warm and cold, always I'm suffering of allergy and some pills for the allergy. So always in advance I have what I need. And as you can see, really convenient, really cheap, it's not heavy at all. I have everything in one place. And I really recommend you to think about it, at least think about it, consider it, and at the end it is 20 euros. So, and can save you for situations that you cannot imagine. So I really recommend you to have something like this. Yes, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Have a good day.